Hello, what are you doing here?
Hello, I am Linda. This is my younger sister, and we are waiting here for our friend Carla. She is in the department store over there, and we are already tired. Who are you?
Oh, I am Brian. Yes, I am also waiting for a friend. He is in this department store too. Are you here often?
We are here every day.
Yes, the department store is very big.
Look, there she is.
My friend is there too. Hey, what are you doing tonight?
We are going to the cinema. And you?
First, we are drinking something, then we don't know yet. My friend is here since this morning. He is just on vacation here.
Are you also new here?
Yes, I'm actually from Germany, and my friend is from Sweden. My father, however, is British.
Oh, that is interesting. Unfortunately, I have to go. You are very nice.
Thanks. You are too. Maybe I'll see you around.